You recall there was no bidding na ginawa rito, tapos unliquidated, so marami na kailangan tignan. That's why I'm creating a unit ngayon, a task force na composed of our financial unit, financial investment unit, tsaka financial investigation unit, tsaka ang aming special action unit to investigate on the matter. We will coordinate with the SEC, the COA, and also we'll seek help of the BCDA para magkaroon ng clear dito. As we speak now, wala pa naman tayong sasabihin na na-identify, but there are already personalities na nakikita natin doon sa dokumento, sa initial na pumasok sa atin.
Okay, sir.
Sir, bakit, just for the record, bakit po may renewed interest po dito sa pag-imbestiga sa CCAMS? Although field na siya ng controversies before, and the head of FISGO was Alan Peter Cayetano.
Well, I'm aware of that. Is the chairman of PISCOG, So hindi naman to renewed interest. It so happen na may mga lumabas kayo na dokumento which will lead us to investigate. Kasi lahat naman talaga ng issue na pumapasok dito with regards to corruption or anything, even ordinary cases, pag dinala sa amin, we will investigate. So it so happen, this is medyo controversial. Narinig ko naman yan, nakita ko yung mga news noon. So once and for all, we settled it kung meron ba talagang dapat managot o wala, or kung ano talaga yung investigation. So kailangan natin magkaroon ng report dito.
Sir, for the record lang, kasi di ba you were saying yesterday na you have visited the place in Clark for the NBI Academy.
Yes,
so this
yes.
is incident